Hi. This is the Soleil Toothpaste Talk Show, where we're talking about why I look this way. It's not really a condition. It's more a choice I made a long time ago. Ugh, stop. Stop it. Stop it. No, 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 no. It's okay. I just gotta phone back together. See, the trick is you have to start with the tongue. There we go. Much better. So you know you're doing it right when you only have one front tooth. This is the best thing ever.